Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat without ID. So what you have to do guys, you just need to open a browser and go to roblox.com. So once you open the guys roblox.com in the browser, you have to go to click on this settings over here. Go to setting, click on gear icon, go to settings. Here in the account info, you have to in the account info. And now guys, you just need to verify your phone number to get voice chat here. So according to the Roblox, you just if you are in these five countries, one of the five countries, US, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand, you don't have to verify your age by using the ID. You just need to be phone verified. So you can use any one phone in your house to verify the phone number, and once you verify your age and if you are 13 plus, you can easily get voice chat feature in privacy. But if you are in other location like me, I have to verify my age using the ID to get voice chat feature, so which is also the chat with voice in my location. So guys, if you want to get voice chat feature in if you are in these country, you can get it without ID. So you just need to be phone verified, and you can easily opt in to use this feature using your privacy settings. So yeah, that's how you can do it. So in my case, I already got the voice chat feature using my ID verification. I've already got this voice chat feature in my other account. Let me show you. So this is my guys main account where I already verify my age using my ID, and I got instantly the microphone feature, which using this feature I can chat with voice. So yeah, that's it. So, but if you are in those five countries, you can easily get the voice chat without ID verification. You just need to verify your number, and that's how you can get it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.